So I think today we have one more exercise remaining, and we will not stop the lecture today till you all understand this entire exercise. Okay, we have to finish this chapter today. So I hope, and to do that, the only thing that we require is to know all the cubes. If you all remember, we had discussed this last time. We had revised all the cubes at the end. I was asking you all were messaging me. Correct? So let's start with practice at 3.3 then. And all you have to do is tell the cube roots. For example, in practice at 3.3, if I start with question 1, second sum is 729. Everyone message me the answer of 729. Okay, cube root we can write it like this. We can put the root and put 3 here. 3, if you all remember, is the order. Or another way of writing the same thing is 729 and 1 upon 3. 1 is the power, 3 is the order. दोनों का मतलब एक ही है, but tell me the answer quickly. 729 is cube of which number? What is the cube root of 729? Yes, only 10 people have messaged me so far. Come on, quickly message fast. 729 का answer. Param Doshi is saying 8. 8 is wrong. Param Doshi now is saying 7. Param Doshi doesn't want to answer correctly, I think. Okay, I hope everybody can hear me. If there's any issue in the voice, just quickly leave and come back. Okay, I think I have received enough answers. Yes, the correct answer is 9. Okay, so 9 is the answer for cube root of 729. Okay, let me ask the third sum, and that is 343. Quickly tell me, what is cube root of 343? Message me the answer, everyone. Shreya Raichand from Ghatkopar is saying 3 is the correct answer. 343 ka cube is 3. That is wrong. Yes, Param Doshi, finally, you answered correct. Yes, Vikroli Rudra, correct. So yes, answer is 7, everyone. Cube root of 343 is 7. Okay. Now let me give you another one. Fourth one is minus 512. So it is cube root of negative. Obviously, इधर negative है तो answer में भी negative आने वाला है. So tell me the correct answer with the sign. Yes, 512 का cube root क्या है? Yes, I can see a lot of people are messaging. Great, great. Sahil Pardeshi, very good presentation also. Gargi, I think I missed your answer. Can you just put up again? Otherwise, I'll have to search for your message. Put up your answer again, Gargi. So I'll check. Himani is correct. Rudra is correct. Hitesh is right. Charvi is right. Ishan Sardesa is correct. Nishita is writing minus 88. That is wrong. So yes, the correct answer is minus 8. Okay. Minus 8 is the correct answer. Because minus 8 into minus 8 into minus 8 is minus 512. Okay. Now let us go for some other numbers. Oh wait, sorry. I'll go for the first one, and that is 8,000. Question is, what is the cube root of 8,000? Now, I would suggest, if in case someone doesn't know it, what we can do is we can break it into. Everyone agrees that 8,000 is 8 into 1,000. I'm sure a lot of people are answering rightly. But first, for people who don't understand it, let me just do it this way. 8,000, can I break it into these two parts? 8 into 1,000. Now answer me this way. Just tell me the cube root of 8, only of 8. Message me the cube root of 8, everyone. Only of 8. Don't tell me the full answer. Tell me only cube root of 8. Gargi has written 84 is the final answer. That is wrong, Gargi. Yes, everyone message me root of 8. No, Sahil. I'm not asking cube of 8. I'm asking cube root of 8. किसको 3 बार मल्टीप्लाई करके 8 आएगा? You're telling me 8 का cube. I'm asking you 8 का cube root. What is the cube root of 8? Rudra, yes, you're correct. Final answer. But I'm asking currently so that I can teach you the steps. So yes, the cube root of 8 is 2 into, tell me now what is the cube root of 1,000, everyone? What is the cube root of 1,000? 1,000 का cube root क्या है? Ishan Sardesai, your final answer is wrong. That is why I'm teaching you the steps. Okay, rather than jumping, follow my answers, follow my questions, see what I'm asking you. Sahil, 1,000 is the question. Tell me 1,000 ka cube root. What is 1,000 ka cube root? Swayamvara, wrong answer. Yes, Prachi, you're right. You've given the final answer. But I'm asking what is cube root of 1,000? And yes, everyone, if you all have learned from 1 to 10, no, the cube root of 1,000 is 10. So if cube root of 8 is 2 and cube root of 1,000 is 10, do you agree 2 into 10 will give me the final answer 20? This is the final answer. I hope you all have understood this. Fine. Okay. If you've understood this, let me go for slightly bigger numbers. Let's try minus 2744. Okay. Now in this case, when you're trying to find out कि ये किसका इसका cube root क्या है, obviously there are some cube roots, so I'll write it like this. This is the 5th question. And when you write it like this, and we don't know, see we have learned only till 10. And 10 का cube is 1,000. So ये उससे ज़्यादा है. So if I'm trying to find the answer for this, what I'll do is I'll go at this side and factorize it. Okay. Factorize. When we factorize it, we'll try to divide it by smaller numbers. We'll try to get its prime factors. For example, if I see this is an even number. So I know for a fact ये 2 से तो cancel होगा. So quickly everyone tell me, if I cancel this number by 2, what is the answer that we get? 2744 को अगर मैं 2 से cancel करूं, then what is the answer that I get? Just what you all can do is you can cancel 1 by 1. For example, 2 1s are 2. Then 2, if I cancel 7, 7 doesn't go by 2, but 7 3s are 6 होता है. So 7 में से 6 कट गया, तो 1 gets carried forward. Then I can try 2 7s are 14. This is 14 now because 1 got carried. And 2 2s are 4. Right? This is not a cube from, ये by heart किया हुआ cube नहीं है. So but again I can see this is an even number. Again I'll cancel by 2. This time I want you all to answer me. Come on everyone, quickly answer me this, that if I cancel 1372 by 2, तो क्या होगा? कितना आंसर मिलेगा? This Amberlin was right. Correct. Yes, Mansi, you will get the recording for this. But try to stay in the lecture. It's simple things only that we are discussing. Vedika, that is not the correct answer. We are trying to cancel. Okay, so if I again try and cancel this, 13 does not go by, देखो 1 तो नहीं जाता है 2 से, तो 2 नंबर साथ में लेना पड़ेगा. 13 does not go, but 12 goes. So when I cancel this, I'll write 6 are 12, but 1 will get carried forward. और ये बन जाएगा 17. Again, 17 does not go by 2, but 16 does. I'll write 7, 8 is 16, और ये जब cancel होगा, एक carry forward हो गया, ये 12 हो जाएगा. And I saw some people had answered this correctly. 2 6 are 12. Come on, one more everyone. एक और बार, this is an even number, so I can again cancel it by 2. So cancel by 2 and tell me what are we getting. Hitesh, I hope you can see the screen. Yes, cancel this by 2 and see what answer you're getting. Yes, correct everyone. A lot of Harshlata has answered correctly. Bansi has answered correctly. Adil, Atharva, Gurav, Shravya Shetty. Okay, I'm getting a lot of correct answers. So मैं फटाफट दिखा देता हूँ. 2 3s are 6. 2 4s are 8. 2 3s are 6. अभी इसके आगे मत करने जाओ because this we know. Correct? This we know is a cube. So what I'll do is inside, I'll write it like this. I'll write minus. Then 2 3 बार था, तो I'll write 2 into 2 into 2 into. Now I got this as 340, so I'll keep it as 343 because I know this answer. Okay. Now remember, if it's cube root, the order is 3, then if anything repeats 3 times, no, you can take it out. Can you all see 2 is repeating 3 times? 2 2 2 3 बार आ रहा है. So since it is coming 3 times, I will take 2 2 2 out, but I'll write it only once. Okay, 3 बार का मैं एक ही बार लिख रहा हूँ. That is the logic of order 3. 3 चीज एक बार आ जाएगा. And what is 343 का cube root, everyone? Come on, quickly message me. We had discussed this today only. What is cube root of 343? Yes, I can see a lot of people messaging 7. 7 is the correct answer. तो इसका आंसर 2 हो गया, इसका आंसर 7 हो गया, and obviously do not forget the minus, right? So if I multiply this, 2 into 7 is 14 and it is minus 14. This is the correct answer, right? Minus 14. This is the final answer. So what I'm doing is I'm keeping question number 1 ka 6th to you. Adil, if you're unable to see the screen, is this an issue for everyone? Is it difficult to see the screen? Mritul and Adil have messaged me. Just message me quickly if you all can see the screen. No, as in you all cannot see. Wait, let me just check what the issue is. Oh, what I'll do is I'll quickly leave and come back. So then probably it should, because I can see the screen properly. Just check everyone if now you all can see the screen properly. Message me yes if you can see the screen. Okay, I can see a lot of people messaging me yes. Okay, great. Then let's continue. Okay, I hope you all have understood till here. And what we can do is we can take question 1 ka 6 sum as homework. It's a very big number, 32768. But try it like this. Yes, if you all do not get it, obviously we'll discuss it when I meet you all afterwards. I'll come back for another chapter. But make sure that you all give it a sincere try and do not copy the answer from anywhere. Make sure you all are trying it. Okay. Okay, once you all have gotten this, let's quickly move on to the second question. Question 2, first one is cube root of a fraction. Okay, it is 27 upon 125. Now it's very simple. What you can do is you can find the cube root of the top part, you can find the cube root of the bottom part, and just write the answer here. So come on, I think this you can tell me clearly. Question is cube root of 27 upon 125. So quickly tell me what will be the answer as fraction. In the message, you can write it like this: 5 upon 7, something like this. SI all can write. So I'll come to know what is your answer. Okay, quickly everyone, tell me what is the answer of cube root of 27 upon 125. Is great. Amberlin was the first one to message. Sahil, 1 into 1 into 1 is wrong. Gargi, you're correct. Shubhra, Shravya, you'll have given the correct answer. Is great. Atharva, you've only given numerator answer. I want the full fraction. I want in this format. Adit has said 4 upon 6. That is wrong. 4 upon 6 is not correct. Yes, Ishan Sardesai, you're right. Yes. Okay. Let's write the answer. Cube root of 27 is 3 and cube root of 125 is 5. So answer is 3 upon 5. Okay. Now same if I go for the second part of this. The question is 16 upon 54 cube root. What you all can do is you all can cancel. See, 16 and 54 we know are not cubes. 16 did not come in that list when we learned from 1 to 10. But what we can do is, if you notice, both are even numbers. 16 is also even number, 54 is also even number. So let us cancel by 2. Like I can write this as 2 8s are 16. And 2, if I cancel 5, it is 2 2s are 4. 1 gets carried forward. And this becomes 14 and this 7s are 14. So answer of cancellation is this. Final answer is not this. So once you get 8 upon 27, everyone, quickly message me what will be the answer, just the way we all did for this 3 upon 5. Message me what will be the answer for cube root of 8 upon 27. Is Gargi was the first one to answer correctly. That's great. So I am only half answer you've given. Now it's proper. Advika Salvi from DN Nagar has given the correct answer. Simar Kaur from Saidam has given the correct answer. Arva, you've just written answer. I want the figure. Okay, Chandan, correct answer. Okay, great everyone. I'll just write the answer now. So cube root of 8 is 2. Cube root of 27 is 3. So this is the correct answer. Okay. Okay, everyone, one more sum and we are done with the chapter. Okay. So see, in the third question, no, they need not have given us this, but they have given us a hint how to solve it. They have told us cube root of 729 is 9, but this we already know by heart. But still they have given us, and they are asking us to find the cube root of a very complicated number, this one, 0.000729. This we want. Okay. Okay, firstly, let me just explain to you all a few things of converting from decimal to fraction. If ever you have 0.7, then what you all should do is you all should remove the decimal. If I remove the decimal, then it looks like this. It looks like 0.7. But 0.7 करके कोई number नहीं होता है. Like this 0 before the number has no value. So I will only write 7 upon If after the decimal there's only one number, no, I'll write below 10. Did you all understand this? How many ever numbers, that many zeros. For example, I'll give you one more example. 0.23. 0.23 है, तो इसको कैसे फ्रैक्शन में लिखेंगे? I will first remove the decimal. If I remove it, looks like 023. But again, as I said, this 0 has no value. So I will write only 23. Upon I'll check. Okay, decimal के बाद how many numbers are there? There are 2 digits, 2 numbers, 2 and 3. तो यहाँ पे मैं 100 लिखूंगा. जितना नंबर या जितना डिजिट्स है यहाँ पे उतना जीरो आएगा. एक डिजिट एक जीरो, दो डिजिट दो जीरो. ठीक है? So everyone, if you all understood that logic, apply the same logic for this and message me what to write as a fraction. Right? Don't tell me the final answer. Tell me the fraction. The reason I'm not asking final answer, many people will make a mistake. Yes, Shreya Raichand has answered absolutely correctly. Vedika from DN Nagar, wrong answer. That is not correct. Himani from Parla is right. PL from Ghatkopar, wrong answer. Come on, use your brain. See how many digits are there after the decimal. Jitna digits hai, utna zeros aayega. Shubhra, don't give me the correct answer. First, let's go stepwise. So your answer is absolutely right. Okay, have you all understood this much? I can see a lot of people are answering correctly. So let me just quickly show it to you. Okay. Here also, मैं side में लिख देता हूँ 0.0000729. I've just removed the decimal. मैंने decimal हटा दिया. Correct? Decimal हटा देता हूँ तो do you agree? All these zeros we need not write because ये सारे zeros का कोई value नहीं है because it's before the number. So यहाँ पे I'll write is equal to 729. But now to write fraction, I have to count how many digits are there after the decimal. If I count, there is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 digits. तो नीचे 6 zeros आने वाला है. This is the correct way to write it. 729 upon, if I check unit 10, 100, 1000, 10,000, lakh, 10 lakh. ये 10 lakhs है. 729 upon 10 lakhs, or we can even say 729 upon 1 million. Okay. So this is the part of it of converting to fraction. Why did we do this? So I can use this information. ये जो हम लोग ने लिखा था वो भी use कर सकते हैं. तो ऊपर 729 का cube root तो we know is 9. We just today only discussed it. अच्छा, let me explain to you all here. You all remember I told you when we wrote it in this way that how many, if there are 3 2s, I write it as 1 2. जो 3 बार है, I'll convert it to 1. That same logic I can apply here. 1 का तो cube root 1 ही आएगा. But see, if there are 3 zeros, these 3 zeros after cube root will become 1 0. So I'll write 0. But again, there is 3 more zeros. Again, 3 zeros will get converted to 1 0. So it is 9 upon 100 is the cube root. Okay, you all understood how we use that information that was given above, this one. Cube root of 729, I wrote it as 9. And 1 का cube root was 1. 3 0 का हो गया 1 0. 3 0 का हो गया एक और 0. But if they've given me the question in decimal form, let us also write the answer in decimal form. So I'll write it like this. Again, I'll write 9. इसका भी उल्टा सोचना है. देखो, अगर मैं उल्टा सोचना चाहता हूँ, I think of it this way. 7 upon 10. Decimal में लिखना है तो I'll just write 7 first. 1 0 तो नंबर के एक पहले डेसिमल, तो यहाँ पे डेसिमल आ जाएगा. And I can add 0 here to make it 0.7. So same way here, everyone. 9 I wrote it down. But now for decimal I need 2 digits. Do you agree there is only 1 digit here? If I want to write one more digit, कोई digit नहीं है, then I can write 0. Those are 2 digits now. I'll put a decimal before that and I'll add one more 0. So this is the final answer. Right? I hope everyone has understood this. Let me know if there is any doubt. I think it's a very easy chapter. right? And we'll soon be starting with tests also. So you all have to make sure that the first two chapters that we have done, I've taught you all the first chapter and the third chapter. You all should understand that perfectly. Okay, make sure you all are practicing. Now, as homework, I'll be giving you all the entire chapter, right? So make sure it's a very easy chapter. I think if you all give it 1 hour, you all can finish that entire chapter. So make sure you all solve it the entire one as homework, and whatever doubts, let your center heads know so that when next time when I come and teach you all, I can clear all your doubts. Okay. So yes, everyone. Okay. Priyanshi just wants me to explain one part again. Yes, I'm going to give you a test, Mansi. Soon. We'll plan it out. Okay. Acha. Just for a re-explanation, cube root of 729 is 9. They have only given us, but you also know it. And when I'm finding cube root of this big number, just if I talk about 1, just 1, the cube root is 1. Yeah. 3 zeros, if I take cube root, it becomes 1 0. 3 more zeros will become 1 more 0. So that is how you get cube root of this fraction. Okay. So I hope you all will never forget your cube roots of your cubes of first 10 numbers, 1 se leke 10 tak. And I'll see you all soon. Make sure you all are studying properly because school unit tests will be there also. And we'll be explaining how the test is very soon. Okay, so don't worry about it, but make sure you all are studying and practicing daily. Whatever is taught is practiced and studied on that day only. Right? Ishan, I'll be clarifying the test part soon. But you have to continue studying. Okay? Yes, Nishant sir, I'm done with the lecture.
Okay, thank you, sir. Okay, students, we are done with the lecture. We are done with today's lecture. We'll be meeting you tomorrow again. And please do the homework which was given by maths as well as Sanskrit. And study on a regular basis as Alex sir has told you already. Because there'll be a test soon. So till then, take care. Bye. Bye, everyone.